Good Saturday. What are we doing?
Okay, so for this car, we doing fenders, we doing bumper. We're supposed to do a spoiler. Well, he's not going with that one because he has the OEM. And we're doing extensions, mirror cap sequentials, and bumper sequentials.
So yeah,
So that's
full transformation on this car. So reason we couldn't put the wing on is because this is a Red Sport and they have a factory wing. If you take this off, you will see your OEM bolt. So that's a no bueno. We got this one. We got Jay with this Q50. Jay, what we got?
I'm about to do some RGB sequentials from SoCal. Run down some sequentials, open up doors, pretty much sequentials.
Just sequentials?
Sequentials.
There you guys have it. Regular day at Southbay. We're open Saturday. We're open every other Saturday. While they get to it, let's check out the cars. So we got a white Red Sport right here. You see the little carbon pieces on it. Wheels. The OEM mirrors. But we're replacing them now?
I'm not sure. I think so.
Think so. Has a wrapped hood. Sand finish. Sand gray, I think. Let's see what's under the hood. Got some intakes. I think that's it. But yeah, that's his front end. His lips a little under the weather, but I don't think he's getting a lip today. Q50 though. Got some carbon fenders already with the wheels. These look real good. He has an MCAS, but they're a little faded. We might take care of him with that. Let's see what else he got. He has a wing with a diffuser, with some tips, some carbon tips. But yeah, he has my boy shit, Driven by Faith, Clutch Supply. Check him out. This is Instagram. Everything smooth, fool?
Yeah, bro, just trying to run everything down.
Smooth.
Everything going down.
Fender gone, bumper gone. Both of them are over here. We got the fenders. V3?
Yeah, V3 fenders.
V3 fenders.
Just working on the hose, make them bigger.
Making those holes bigger, more room to play. And the other sets over here. Check it out. That good carbon shine. So when you do take off your OEM fenders, you do need to reuse this bracket and these little tabs so you don't strip your whole fender. With the bumper, you gotta get your fog lights, your harness. What bumper did he get?
I think the blades one.
What
No,
bumper?
the impulse.
Impulse?
Yeah.
Is this his? So this is his bumper actually. So we're gonna put some sequentials on it, reuse the fog lights, and I think you reuse the OEM grill, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, so the grill and the fog lights are on.
And then you put sequentials, no?
Sequentials, yeah.
Yeah. So you snap off the OEM grill and you slap it onto the impulse bumper. Once we start working on it, we'll bring it out, show you guys more detail about it. Driver's side sequentials on. Looking good. Jay moved on to the passenger side. Wiring it up. We taped up the corners, so when we put the fenders and try to test on fitment, we don't rub on the actual paint, it rubs on the tape. A ver. Low tabs, check. The bracket? Not yet.
Not in bolt.
Oh, not in bolt? Alright, never mind. So you don't take those low brackets, you just put a nut and bolt on those ones. That one's good. You about to get the next one?
Yes, sir. Please. No,
Passenger side's done. Hooking up the module. More wiring.
Yes, sir.
So you plug those two up, you run them in the middle out to the battery.
The module thing, and then from the module, you have all these sequential lights you have to wire up so that when these turn on, when you put your start turn signal, basically you're gonna go with the right direction. So if you go right, it's gonna go right, it's gonna be sequential. Go left, it's gonna be left sequential. Hazards, they're both gonna be on. So we gotta tap in all the wires and pretty much that's how you get it done. So a little check.
Little test fit, little contact.
Hold on.
Yeah. There you go. Little teaser on how they gonna look. Obviously we gotta hook them up all the way, but they look
Just a little test run.
Little test run.
Get a little magical lantern right here. Download this app. You got over 47 modes, and then boom, you're pretty much set. Everything works.
You heard him, you heard him. So once you get the sequentials, you do need to download the app so you control it all on your phone. And a little quick tip, if you have little issues connecting them, get next to your battery because the module's gonna be right there. First one about to be put on by yours truly, Papi AV.
Hey, check. Shut up. Whose song is that?
De la verga. Hooked up, lighting, A1, modules all hooked up. Putting back the door panel, wiring up everything back.
Make it look professional, huh? Make it right.
So the customer did get some real carbon fiber mirror caps for him because he had these ones right here, old, faded, fake carbon. Let me show you guys the real ones. Way better. So these are the real ones. They are not glue-ons, they clip in, replacing the OEM ones. Q60 update. One fender's on. Fitment's good?
Pretty good, bro.
So you got this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, bolt right here. Two in the bottom, one right there by the door. Ooh, look at that. Look at that.
You like it or not?
Picasso. Sometimes it's not just the fender that needs adjustment. It might be the hood too. We're extending these low latches right now.
Yeah, that's not good.
There you go. Way better. Yeah, earlier the fender was sticking higher than the hood, but fixed those latches and now everything's pretty flush.
Pretty good. Let's go up to the next one.
Next one. I just noticed he had the sequentials on with the hazards. You can see how the pattern goes. If you guys purchase some front sequentials, these two will turn with the motion. But right now we just got the mirror sequentials doing the little motion.
I put on the hazards to make sure they work.
Mirror caps are on, way better. We don't do that fake shit right here, so that's good, that's good. This car is pretty much set, all ready to go, looking real good. So this car is basically all set. There you guys have it, man. So Mando mod right here, some sequentials with some carbon mirror caps. This side's looking good too. Fitment looks pretty even with the door. You good, fool?
Almost there, bro.
What's left? What's left?
Just gotta adjust the fitment on this side and then throw on the bumper.
The big boy.
Get everything together with
bumper.
that bumper and then just throw it on. Then sequentials and the diffuser extensions.
There you go. Fitment on this side is pretty good too. Not too tall. Everything's evened out. Fenders are good. Next, the big one. Damn. Q60 impulse bumper. Look at that. So grill, fog lights, and then we're putting on some sequentials on it. Put in the harness. All the drills are all pre-cut already. So this thing's basically good to go. We took the harness out. We have the front grill on. All placed up. Simple as just putting the clips in and some screws. Right now, we're trying to assess this. So it has front sensors, and this module right here is...
It'll block the bumper if we try putting it on, so we took out the bracket. We still want you to keep your OEM stuff, but with the bracket, it just makes it harder to fit the bumper if you want that fitment. So boom, this is what we're gonna do right here.
Oh yeah. Put right there. It'll still work, it's just the module. Sensors will still be in place facing out.
Bracket, OEM bracket's not there.
Yeah, you just take off the bracket. Looking good though. Crazy ass bumper.
And we're just trying to run the wires down for the RGB sequentials, tap in, and then get the sequentials working and everything like that. Go home, get a little michelada, you know?
Took a little lunch break.
Back to it.
Back to it. Whoa, whoa. Don't hurt yourself though.
Oh, my fat ass almost fell down.
Give me a fucking zip
I'm
tie.
giving you a fucking zip tie. Hold on.
Hey.
Here you go.
Thank you, babe.
They're plugging in all the harnesses, grills on, all the wiring for aftermarket stuff all plugged up. Basically ready to be slapped back on, huh?
Yeah, just got to zip tie a couple things just to make the wires less visible. This should not be this. We go a little back, yeah.
Trying to find a good nut and bolt to put in between right there. Put all the clips in, even the underside, this side. And after that, the car is pretty much set. I think he's getting some M caps, some extensions for the diffuser. And yeah, I think this guy is going tomorrow for NIS Fest. So NIS Fest is on October 8th in Orlando Speedway. You won't see a lot of cars from Southbay over there, so keep in mind, keep an eye on those stickers on those windshields. So we're putting on the extensions for the diffuser. Just like that, we got fenders, we have our Dodge hood on, and our impulse bumper. Excuse my shadow.
Repost that.
But yeah, final results. Looks crazy. This is the lucky owner. Sir, how do you like it?
It's a new car.
New car.
Oh my god, it's unbelievable.
Man, full carbon front end, mirror caps as well, RGB. But yeah, successful Saturday here at Southbay. We'll get a little clip of him driving off to see this car in action. But one thing we highly recommend for these cars, especially with like a whole front end bumper, PPF or ceramic coated. We want you guys to protect this very valuable front end because carbon ain't cheap. And off he goes. He'll be back very soon for a steering wheel, pick up his old parts. I think he still left his hood here, but yeah, successful day here at Southbay. Thanks for watching. See you at the next one. Peace.